Alright, this tutorial is part 2 of adding related items by category to your K2 item. This is the page we created in the previous tutorial, which actually you will need to start. So you should go back to my blog, the link should be in the description, and go to how to add related items by category, because I start from where we leave off in the end of this tutorial. You will need to create your custom K2 template before you can move on to the next step. So definitely go back here before moving forward with this tutorial. So anyway, the goal is to move the related items by category to the sidebar. And instead of creating a custom module, we're going to just use the power of K2 and the template to create a full width template and use our own sidebar, which then we can move any information we'd like to the sidebar. What I've done is created a second template. I copied the portfolio template created in the first tutorial and created one called portfolio sidebar. In our portfolio template we had the title and the related item module code at the bottom, and in the new one I created a new div called portfolio sidebar. I copied the code within that sidebar, and then I created a new module position. This is using modules anywhere again, and you can just put whatever module position you'd like, and you just have to reference that same name. So it's not in the template, I just added it to this one, and that's how we're going to do it. The portfolio sidebar is its own container, and we're going to make it appear on the left just like the default sidebar. And then I added one class to the K2 container so that I can control the width of this one as well. If you look at the CSS, I copied the default CSS for the left sidebar, and I just applied that to portfolio sidebar. I also copied the default main container and applied that to the K2 container with the portfolio class. So that's how we can control the width and make everything look right. So let's go back here, and what I'll do is just change to the sidebar template and go back and refresh this page. And as you can see, just like our code, the related items appear in the sidebar, but we still have the Joomla sidebar. So we're going to get rid of this so that we have the full width of the template. Let's go ahead and just unpublish this one and unpublish this one. Go back. Oops, didn't save it. Now we have the full width, our custom template, we have our sidebar, our related items in the sidebar, and we want to add those menus back. So now what we'll do is take our custom module position, which is portfolio-sidebar, and go back and add these modules to that position instead of position 7. So and we'll refresh, and probably want to publish them. So now our menus appear below our related items. There is one last thing, the titles don't show, and that is because in modules anywhere there's an option for no wrapping or XHTML. So let's go ahead and set it to XHTML. Go back and refresh it. Now we have the titles for related by category, about Joomla, this site. So with the power of K2, the templating, and modules anywhere, the possibilities are endless. Anything you can move around in a K2 template you can move to the sidebar. So if you want to show the author's name and information in the sidebar, if you want to show the rating, the voting, the image, teaser, the social links, anything you want to show on the sidebar you can now place in the sidebar using modules anywhere and K2 with the custom template. So if you have any questions, leave it in the comments below and I'll help you out if I can. Thank you.